In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to improve your cybersecurity skills by 198%. Sounds like clickbait, right? But I promise, if you stay with me, I'll show you exactly how to make your digital life way more secure instantly. Cyber attacks are happening every second, and most people are sitting ducks. But not you. Let's get you locked down fast. First, let's talk about what most people are doing completely wrong. Probably you too. Mistake number 1, weak passwords. If your password is 123456, password or your dog's name, you are asking to be hacked. Mistake number 2, reusing passwords. One leak equal every account gone. Mistake number 3, clicking schedule links. That one click. It could cost you everything. Your email, your identity, even your bank account. Okay, time to fix all that. These 3 things alone will instantly boost your security. Use your favorite password manager. Bitwarden, 1Password, NordPass, doesn't matter. By the way, mine is Bitwarden. They generate strong passwords, store them securely, and autofill them when you log in. Next, multi-factor authentication. It's like a second lock on your account. Even if your password gets stolen, hackers can get in without your code. Phishing emails are sneaky. They look real, but they are full of traps. If something feels off, don't click it. Hover over links, double check the sender, and when in doubt, go directly to site yourself. Ready to be a pro? These next level tips will put you ahead of 90% of people online. Outdated apps and software are a gold mine for hackers. Turn on auto updates for your OS, browser, and apps, always. Use privacy-focused browser like Brave or Firefox. Add extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and HTTPS everywhere. They block trackers and sketchy scripts, the stuff you don't see. Go to haveibeenpwned.com. Type your email. If it shows up in a breach, change that password right now and never reuse it. Boom! In just few minutes, you've upgraded your cybersecurity game by 198%. You are smarter, safer, and probably ahead of most people you know. If this helped, drop a like and tell me in the comments which of these tips are you going to do today. And if you want a full video on spotting phishing scams or protecting your phone, subscribe now because I've got way more coming.